Ba! Charot. Oh my gosh, I'm so fucking tired. Oh, hey, you and me. Thank you, Mr. E. Thank you so much. Oh, ang gago. Guys, tinatamad ako, please. Ayoko mapo. Gusto ko nakaganto lang ako kasi, you know, guys, ang hina-hina ko na ngayon. Thank you po. Sino yun nag-send? Mr. E, thank you. Thank you for sending beans. Oh, yung iba naman, mag-send ka ng beans. Ang kapal ng mukha. Incredible. Hi, you. Guys, kindly send beans. I need 4K beans pa. I need Tokota na. And malapit na mag-March katapusan. So, my beans is only 6,000. Everyone. Ang pangit ng outfit ko. I can't show it. It's so generous, yeah? Hi, Zaki. Kindly support me, guys. Di supportahan niyo naman ako ng walang kalong kabastasan. Ganyan, guys. Be kind. Everyone! Hello! Guys, can we send beans? I only need 4K. If you want, guys, kindly share this live para, you know, maraming viewers. Hi, Finn. Dapat nga hindi ako magla-live ngayon, pero kailangan ko makakomplete ng 40 hours this month. So, nag-live ako. So, I think tomorrow magla-live ako within I think after lunch or later na lang, mga 1 a.m. Tama din, guys. It's my baby, guys.
Papakita ko nga lang yung pencil kay Joy. Pili mo lang rin ako. Pencil, treatment, amino keratin. Tingnan mo, Reban Straight. Yung conditioner ha, ito.